We have different lounge for people. Who's there? Shaya. Who are you? Come. Where Shaya for me go open room if you want. Continue by that. Oh yes, you are welcome. You'll be treated. You'll be given the first class treatment. We have beautiful machines and machines that can deal with issue.
That means you're going to host me.
Oh yes, we'll host you here. Even though what we run here is not per se to the general public purpose, we do membership only.
Okay.
Strictly membership. We're not doing
no, it's too big to pay for.
I have various machines. I have mammogram machine. I have everything.
Do you have people that run it for you, like specialists?
I have specialists that I employ. I brought a lot of specialists from outside the country, from London.
So how expensive is your MRI?
What we do here, don't forget I said we run only private.
Right. Oh, it's part of membership.
When you are a member. So we have prices that range from 25 million to 30 million, 40 million annually. Free food, free accommodation, free treatment, free everything. It's strictly.
Thank you.
It is strictly
Members. Strictly members.
That's my screen. Across been to the world. And I have my makeup studio and salon.
Ẹ ṣé gan ni, ẹ kú ìtọ́jú.
Àgbàlagbòyè. Àgbàlagbòyè. Ọlọ́run fún ọgbà lówó lágbára Ọlọ́run.
Wà ń bẹ̀, ilẹ̀ ó pọ̀.
Hello. Àwa ní hòtẹ́ẹ̀ Olúwayọ̀ Fújì káfàtà. Ọlọ́run àṣírí ayọ̀ fún gbogbo wa. Ìyá ayọ̀ máa jẹ́ tiwa. Ọlọ́run. Àwa kí bàbá ọ̀gá wa. Àtọ́ba tẹ́lẹ̀ tó dọ̀. kò ń ṣe ọmọdé o. kò ń ṣe ọmọdé o. kò ń ṣe ọmọdé o, wọ́n ti rí ẹ kò ń ṣe ọmọdé o. àbá kò ṣe ọmọdé o. ìwọ tí inú ẹ bá dùn kó ṣe irú ẹ àdúrà ni kó máa ṣe o Ọlọ́run. iṣẹ́ ni bàbá ṣe débẹ̀ o Ọlọ́run. iṣẹ́ ni bàbá ṣe débẹ̀ Ọlọ́run. ó ṣeré o ẹrù ọmọdé kẹ̀.